Hi today. I think we're getting another storm today. Do you remember we have heavy winds before? Today we get heavy winds. Look, we're getting heavy winds right now. Look, heavy rain. Look at the storm outside. Yeah. Do you hear that? Yeah. So it is windy today, and Jordan's coming today, by the way. So. Do you hear that? The wind. Hopefully the electric doesn't come off. I'm hoping the electric it sounds heavy up there. Look. See, do you hear that? Oh my god. It's so stormy. Look, it's very windy today. And Jordan's still coming, even though the wind. Even though it's this heavy, Jordan's still coming. Even though this, look how heavy the wind and the rain is. Crazy, right?